Hello everyone. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Now students, let's start at today's session. Do you know, students, what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn about different places like garden, playground and market. Students, are you tell me how do you know what it is its market? Students, in the market you can see the different shops and the different pupils buying different things. Now students, you tell me how do you know that it's garden? Students, in the garden you can see a lot of flowers, trees, plants, people walking over there doing yoga, little children playing together and also playing on the swings. Students, how do you know that it's a playground? Students, you can see in the playground the students are playing event I shop game like football, volleyball, basketball, etc. Now students, I will show you some pictures and you will tell me which picture is this. And you will also tell me what do you see in the picture. Now students, tell me which picture is this.
Ma'am, this is the picture of a market. Here we see a lots of shops and people's buying different things. Peoples are moving from here and there and buying the things what they want.
Very good. Which picture is this?
Ma'am, this is the picture of a playground.
Which picture is this?
Ma'am, this is the picture of a garden. Here we see a lots of flowers, trees, plants and peoples are moving here and there. Kids playing on the swing. Some of the peoples are also doing swimming and lots of things.
Very good. Students, today I introduce you letter G. G sounds G. G, G, grapes. G, G, guitar. G, G, green. G, G, grass. G, G, gate. Now students, today we do the activity with letter G. Students, you know many words write with letter G like G-A-T-E, gate. G-U-N, gun. G-I-R-L, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Students, you count. You have pencils, so you count pencils. Otherwise, you count spoons, bowls, glasses, anything. Which thing is possible to you? Possible to you? Now, students, open your book. I can achieve a 4. Open page number 20 and 21. At the garden. Today our theme is at the garden. SUNFLOWER, sunflower. JASMINE, jasmine. ROSE, rose. LILY, lily. LOTUS, lotus. POND, pond. HIBISCUS, hibiscus. MARIGOLD, marigold. Now, students, open page number 22. Here, students, you tear and paste pieces of black and yellow craft paper to make a sunflower. You make black glaze paper here and yellow here. Tear and paste the glaze paper. Now, students, open page number 23. Here, students, you count the flowers and trace the numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and trace number 41 here. Students, you also count these flowers and write the number. You count all these flowers and write number here. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. As well as, students, you do page number 24. count and trace. Now students, open your book, Rhyme and Stories. Open page number 3. Recite a rhyme. Roses are red. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Sugar is sweet and so are you. Now students, repeat again. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Sugar is sweet and so are you. Now students, recite the rhyme. This is my garden. This is my garden. This is my garden. I will take it with care. I will take it with care. And then some flower seed. And then some flower seeds. I will plant there. I will plant there. The sun will shine. The sun will shine. And the rain will fall. And the rain will fall. And my garden will blossom. And my garden will blossom and grow straight and tall. This is my garden. Now students, sit in a circle along with your family and discuss the things what you have done since morning. Students, I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch. Take care of yourself. Stay at home. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Thank you.